Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Poland, local and long-distance movers near me. When gearing up for a local move to Poland, Maine, it's highly advisable to prioritize the expertise of a professional moving company instead of handling the move yourself. Involving skilled professionals is the best route to ensure a seamlessly executed local move. 3 Movers is also one of the best moving companies you can consider hiring for your move. So if you're moving to Poland, you shouldn't hesitate to contact us to ensure a smooth move to Poland, Maine. At 3 Movers, we're a reputable moving company that ensures our customers get the best. We also offer insurance for our customers' belongings so they can be safe, and if any damage happens to them in our care, we'll recover it. So when you hire us for your move, you should know that we have the required insurance to cover any damage that might occur. Long-distance movers are experts in maximizing time efficiency. They streamline the packing and loading process, and their experience in route planning ensures that your belongings reach their destination as quickly as possible and as safely as possible. The best company to hire is 3 Movers, and our team of seasoned experts has years of experience in handling your moves. With 3 Movers, we'll be very affordable, and you'll surely get the value for your money. Also, if your move doesn't go as planned when you handle it, you'll have to spend more money to rectify the issue. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Poland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.